Hey everyone, welcome to the video where I'll walk you through how to adjust the volume settings in your League of Legends client. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, launch League of Legends, then locate and click on the settings icon. Now navigate to the sound tab under the client section. Here, you can tweak the SFX sound, client music volume, and overall volume settings. Next, select sound within the in-game settings. You'll be able to adjust various in-game audio elements such as music, announcer voices, sound effects, ambience, and pings. You can also fine-tune the overall in-game volume. Once you've made your adjustments, simply click on Done. And that's all there is to it, and that's how you customize your audio settings in League of Legends. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.